Hey guys, and welcome back. A big package is in front of us, and inside is the cheapest mechanical keyboard in India. It's called the Quantum QHM9800 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. What a name. So this is what the box looks like. It has the Quantum high-tech branding. It says Rapid Strike and has the model number QHM9800 and shows the mechanical key, which is certainly not the real one. On the back, it has some information but has nothing about N key rollover or type of switches. It has an MRP of 3000 rupees and of course it's made in China, not surprised. It also highlights some features like mechanical key with RGB LEDs and many lighting combinations, USB plug and play with rupee key, with color change key, extra long life and durability, and heavy duty keyboard. Well, only time can tell how heavy duty or durable this keyboard is. Anyways, let's open it up. Inside we have this card and it doesn't look like a warranty card, so we have nothing about warranty in this box. No keycap puller or a wrist rest included. Now let's unwrap the keyboard. And okay, certainly feels decently heavy. Nice black color, it's matte and not glossy, which I like. It's a nice full-sized keyboard, and although I prefer a 10 keyless keyboard, they are more expensive. There you can see the rupee key also. The wire quality is okay. It's quite thick and not braided. And it's not very long, but more than long enough for me. So it's time to connect the keyboard and see the backlighting and feel the typing experience. So I'm just gonna connect it to my phone through an OTG dongle, and there you go. Now let's listen to the music. So after typing a bit, here are my thoughts. The keys need very little actuation force, and if you get enough practice, you can almost touch type. The sound of the clicks is quite sharp like blue switches, and most of the smaller keys feel and sound the same. However, the larger keys like shift, caps, enter, and especially the spacebar key feels a bit wobbly and sound worse. However, you know what? I don't mind it. I mean, it's only 1500 rupees for a mechanical keyboard and feels pretty much better than any membrane keyboard in this price range or even more. Heck, I've been using my Helios 300 laptop keyboard for straight 2 years and this feels a lot better. I wish it came with a wrist rest though. The top row of function keys also comes with extra functionality. However, they don't light up. Oh, and I tested the key rollover of the keyboard and it does have a minimum of 5 key rollover, but I have also got like 13 key rollover also. Let's take a look into the actual switch, and I am not surprised to see a Cherry MX blue clone. Not exactly sure whether it's Scale blue or Otemo blue, but I'm guessing it's the latter. And I'm pretty sure it's not some proprietary switch made by Quantum. I mean, come on, do you really think that Quantum will put R&D into making a new switch and then sell the keyboard at 1500 rupees? So I'm pretty sure these are Otemo blue switches, the same used by Cosmic Byte and Esports, probably comes from the same factory in China. The one thing I truly hate about this keyboard is the legend on the keycaps. I mean, is it really that difficult to etch out decent looking legend? Don't be fooled by the box renders, the legend is actually very different on the actual product. The backlighting on the keyboard is actually very nice. It's quite bright even under direct room light, but I didn't find any way to turn it off or lower the brightness of it. and there is very little light bleed too, which is very good thing. The keyboard has two legs to prop it at an angle, and you can see the keyboard is not low profile at all. It's got big floating keycaps and the deck is pretty thick and the entire thing is made of plastic. So overall for 1500 rupees I am very satisfied. I purchased this keyboard for typing out scripts and coding. I mean, I have to type a lot right now and I don't want to spoil my laptop keyboard anymore. So I got the keyboard for the purpose of heavy typing and I'm very satisfied. And it's pretty much good enough for gaming as well. The backlighting is better than I expected. The clicks are a little loud and can disturb some other person in the same room, especially at night, but you know what, I like it. So anybody who has been using a membrane keyboard forever, this keyboard is a big step up. It isn't comparable to a Corsair K95 or HyperX Alloy, but at this price I can't complain much. It's pretty much better than most membrane keyboards, double the price when it comes to the typing experience. Alright guys, that was the Quantum QHM9800, the cheapest mechanical keyboard in India. So thank you so much for watching, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the Discord server, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.